getting me uncompleted car. I have to sanction him. Hey, where the chairs are?
It's okay.
What do you mean? Cut one. Do you know how much this car costs?
This one A to Z Auto Service Limited can sort it one time.
Hey, get out. A to Z for no more.
That's what I was saying. So let's just send the car to A to Z.
Uh-huh.
One day, no.
A to Z one.
Yeah, A to Z. A2A.
Today is a happy day, and my papa be awada. Now days before, no na minyani TSA and awada, so I had to come and pay him a visit. Then we look into his life because he has done so much for himself. Until my papa Nelson awada na my bedroom new tafo I work for Nesban Palace Hotel. And what's it Nelson? Not Nesban. Just say, the dean now, initials, what in there, I'm so glad and I'm honored to have the big man himself here. Only ever share the life story for us to also learn something from it because about one year now it's share free. You can't know it all, no matter where you are, you can't know everything. So we had a life now, and any birthday, you know, now, and then it's me, as usual. My name is Zion. Follow us if you go on Instagram. It is ZionFollows.com. On Twitter, it is on your _Zion. Follows on Facebook, it is ZionFollows. Nesban Palace Hotel. Beautiful. I work for it. I mean, as you see, visuals of the hotel. Very nice place. I mean, when I came earlier, I happened to enjoy their breakfast. And then oats and milk and egg and bread. I mean, it was so nice. And then people who came around to medium breakfast, and so they gave good reviews. So if you come here, I'm not sure you're going to regret ever coming here. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Minya.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What's your birthday celebration or plans you're saying?
Plans in India, there's a lot of plans. No quite am say the key to every. Normally, Meka say, and pay Danyamias say, and then so, Moja dear more for say, not a commandable Joma, a day Cassan and pay. Nice accidentally when Yami, and say, nay, my birthday, and Yamidi in fever, I in film. And you'll be, I'm saying, you're 58.
58 years.
Yes. Na abrabon de sani abisa no normally our birthday be no celebrate wo say home nti enemu na mba na ya nanka is my wish I go to SOS Esiakwa today to do a presentation to the children's home. So because of this program, I postponed to next week Wednesday, and I also Wednesday born.
Okay.
So I'll take the opportunity to do a presentation to the home. That's what every my birthday I do, and it makes me happy.
Okay. So, Mr. Nelson, I mean, the full name, something about you.
It's very interesting. Very interesting. Tafo here, Tafo Akim. Me go school. AM Zion Primary School, AM Zion Middle School. Very interesting. We have middle school now. I could say at Waso. Call university. I could say me from to University Common Entrance.
Wow.
From to University Common Entrance.
And what big?
For penny. And go. Form 3, me party yamango.
Did not form 2 uncle?
Form 2 near you. Me training na me come nim kakra na mako. I just say yan kan bebre. Esa efie
Oh, okay.
Nti na bi nso wani mu ayɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ wɔm. Nti form 3 nso ano saa mankɔ na nso ne mi form 4 na menkɔ mewie nso first year me kɔ normal technical school Koforia nti 1978 na me wie in 1978 me kɔ normal technical form 1 fa na ɛde nkakra 1979 yi me free hɔ na yɛsande me ba New Tafo Akim Commercial College form 1 ɛno nso na ɛde nkakra because me mama I was 12 years and I'm mama free nti me papa nso yɛ kuani nti na me brothers nso akra I start adwuma kakra nti 1980
took from 1 2 times
nko from one akra me kon 3 times yo 1978 form 1 1979 form 1 1980 and me bra me ten so anuma sorry if I me sala so say bon so akra tailor and obe fa me ko akra na me say ko start Snaps College of Accountancy form 1.
Wow, 3 times.
That time obi nso kura akọ secondary school anko okof ayi
form
3 oye wie kura benyankopon no nim ni oye this Snaps College naja mitimi ko 3 years ti Jamestown timi na free Jamestown ko Asalam down
Don't say
ai no matter bra kan ko Asalam down
Jamestown to Asalam down.
ai
That's very fine. In case only Makra, Jamestown to Asalam down is very far. Ekwanwa.
we there hwe ho atokwahye side one anti akosi mokola no wa romoti adabraka na de afrosoro mo sani Asalam down Snaps College when ni nyina na nyame ni na nyame ni oye ho anyame adom timi nya 3 years education accountancy level takwa me di wie mo akra na me say oh papa nso nko a me mra ha kakra timba ba na me yorumu anso yin kakra ni anso metran kakra akwa na enya dwuma timi metran kakra na me akra ko me papa ko fuom na me so me decide say me ya hwidifuo kakra edidi mu na me so me papa nso aye mefuo me nya asase kito na me so me ye bi enu achi no na ja emode ma yebo asori mu as a youth so for catch me say say na me nya hwi person push me say people teacher nti eja me so for mate na me ko share people teacher obi amakoya accountancy school yes go people teacher so what are you going to e dey na akọ word education Benjamin Adom me ko ye na people teacher no kura na kwa na nya se bi afa people teacher o na ye ama ho na obi kowo any edemi ko share those times once na regional managers of schools no na asofo nti consideration edemi share 3 months you do your resume for san wo ye
No, the question also.
ya edemi ko share ho nti me time do a na supply teacher me fi o na yesi ba akonso awo akotia ya edemi ko ho
So as obi one.
nti me dia me madom ni say yi obi wa
Yeah.
na edemi asho ho nti me kwa akotia ko di 3 months me sam ba ye na fofra san wo school mu ho aye tafoa yesi me sam sho that was the last one na akwa me koye me hu se na me ni me ka che ne wanyu na me se abrabo bia fiti ase ya hobrase se na school na me wonu ase no obi hwe me na ma me bi hwe me cause no pa me o me bicycle akwa me bicycle no me free otafo a me do nitafo na chain na yi 10 times na me kwa me kuta ntomago year na me di ase year na me di ase ba me bomb na me sa hunya e grease but de bia me bomb mo di say me do school ho ansana obia omaba say no bi hwe me nti me be wie last one hu say ba bia no ye de me ko bie mu no e no frame obi sam say me free hin na me say me fitafo o say me titafo ana say me fitam say me fio o say de bi subana wa hu wa me hu no nye excuse me to say suban bi kakranti wo hu say ase me pa me buade pa na ade na me nko training college am so me we commercial school na me nya djuma na so minimum no na so minimum no na so me say ne kun ya adwuma Cocoa Research as a doctor na so minimum no na so ntimi ko ide na me kwa akoye na so me ni bibi a me kwa akoye no sina me ni bi me nya messenger meye na so bibi a me nya bi a meye lebra kra meye nti 3 days time we school mo ana ni kun bae nti obae no de me chia no ono so be sa me say me wie school san ide na me so ma ko school commercial school ma wie me ya me wo RSA O level mo RSA GC O level RSA State 2 mo British Society of Commerce certificate me LCC ni na na me nya adwuma ana me me nya adwuma no so okay okona metin nka ade chi na me say obae obefa ne wife no bisa say no vacancy ni ho na me nya messenger ameye na so da ameye no so ne go through application mere no me jeto mo obi am we commercial school akwa say time no America no say ukuta O level na kuta RSC State 2 ukuta BSc that British Society of Commerce mo bi mo distinction nunya enti say ene those times certificate that say ene metima ka say ene masters kura modu say talent no benya say paper no nti enya adwuma no bi sam adwuma bibia no na menya messenger amaye na se me no se ne me culture application mra ti me culture application na de command no na me state me qualification we me de copy messenger am ya suma me nti me ne jun se na me nti de call nyam ya dom am so de call personnel nti on share ya na I'm saying now he's close or you're closer to the personal manager. They not say, I call there. He qualified to be accounts clerk you. Now I say I'm say you're accounts clerk you been to know. And your mama can apply as accounts clerk you know so much. Alongside we say no. Never catch na me troko e. Nyame adom na e call interview e nipa 11 no so no. I was the best among them. Nti your family ewo na ya de be call bunsu. Now apart from that no me need G me ma start ma me ho na ma me anopa not on him odwa so. Na anopa bi anse na me ko school no na ya chi akekro ye kokko a di samuna fra anopa bi a me koton anse na mako school ti am say be ya wo mi no na me start to an kro no na ma me so ye trader no na trading adwene de am say na wo nti na me ya me small business kakra akra jidi say me na me kofa those time 98 na ye wo 82 83 na ye wo enku mililo Clayton na mililo amenku mitimi kwa kra na makofa obi ama wie school no makofa wa kra na mde aba na mde ne na efiem na mde free nti ye mfa ne say ka nei ye 10 cedis ya na mde age 14 cedis nti me hwa esan sama kwa accounting school no na mitimi hu say 40%. Yes, take percentage because 10 cedis and they are 14.
40% interest.
40% interest. A day be aname nam DJ 2 cedis. I'm for trauma that we are secondary school na adwuma we na wo ye. Me so ra me kita me bag na me nanam fiem kokoko me ba mbeji me 2 cedis. Onya 1 cedi ma me kora na maje. Yemu but me de me ni ana me ye. Enuguswa na me boss to be doing ton ice cream cake. Na kwa no say na me adum say na me kan ye fa me Cocoa Research. Ye de me ko bunsu as a storekeeper. Ko dio 2 years. Ye send me back. The back na me stores. Na no say me ba stores na me tafono. Na say trading su wo me mu alongside the adwuma na me ye no. Nti me nya store nso wo new tafo akrom I'm starting semeton ice cream ni brodo ni na sefo. Esan se minya store nti no adwuma no kra me apply quarters near Bangalow say the my junior staff quarters. But me share me store no a me kwa kwatena ho a me lose that income nti no manko. Na me say o metena me single room my wife. Anti na me yen kakra. But the most funny thing is share me in business life when say wa brofu juma no. My first month 1986 December me je salary na 60 this. Me hwana me ye business here na me catch nkiti busu mi wo a na metiminya 11 cedis ni 12 cedis. Nti etua me ka December no na me say e bia ye December eti January the same when I call accounts office wo. Na me say na mi papa bi wo de me sasa kam say da yesisi me. Me say na yesisi. Me say 60 this ni tua me ka. No sisa ade chia for appointment letter bra. Akwa me de call an appointment letter no. Ya chiro 72 divided by 12 times so and so. I am pana 60 this. No si na say me si me de no de me ntia se ntima nkan. Na 60 this so sin ane. Upe no say na 60 this account clerk I storekeeper na 60 this. Na me ma me ye me bojo adwuma kwa metimi 11 cedis 12. O say hey. What accountant pay na pay? Na me say that and o say pay slip bi da home go fa mra. Me fa ba no obi pay slip no. No si hwe we me hwe ye. Na your principal accounting officer ebi on wa ye adwuma wo ho be 20 years as a senior officer no. Say na ne pay ho asem na me ka no.
And I will amount
na me say no dey tell me say we na we pay na me hwe edin no that's a principal accounting officer say that answer na could say post no university wo do level copy we until I catch me say ba na so me come say until to be a say you abondi a eni me be a ye no ye value we don't respect it if flow na me can me share me ho den me hwana kwa na business na me enso na me nja yo alongside abrafo juma mu no na me nya nti na me nya 10 cedis 11 cedis na me sanje say 6 cedis no at the can ho
but the amount of measurements when the current amount of money Ghana cedis it kind of work
yes the same time so there say 6 cedis no wait me aka say it say and who converted because net say will be about 20 million 2000 cedis because it's almost equivalent to say will be account work maybe he's taking maybe 2000 you say 2000 but ni pie no na me share ni ameji na me share ni me business income the business income what as salary taking nti me kan nyina boma na che say me fan say me ya more than the accountant na no because na accountant na come in bo mo nya nti me share me hu kran na neje omu say me ya more than accountant inu do me we university so me we university but agwa me jire me hu eno no mu mabam anka ne na mafo anka beka say why do you waste my time
mami nya comedy na mitra baby
mami nya kra anka me baby kwa na me koto ase na mitra baby but I continue eno so share me din me business mu ndagwa nti na fa me fa adwuma ni agro ana me fa me business nso ni agro mitime pon adwuma na makwa kra na ma yese mitime kofa ne ma na me da be free eto da be kra ampo na mitime kofa Christmas ba makofa suit materials na ye wo recreation center bi as a consumer society na me dey abroad e be a rice na me dey abroad ni na as additional income tie di gusu ana se me share na che se eno amu mabam ba me to aso ma me hu se alongside business na me ye store na me ye ni supply na me ye no busu me be wa metimenya e be a double a thrice of my salary but eno ama me na adwuma me ye adwuma for 16 years baby, I mean, identify, say, my outside income was more than the monthly salary. Now it was 3 months old. 3 months. But I stayed in. My premium home. Me stayed in for 16 years. And I position myself to a certain stage. Who said, if I'm quitting now to go and work on my own one, me just setback. Now me be afraid you mokura no. We make sure say nyame adom na me a one metimi fie. Na ansa na me fi adwuma mu. And me am test case for 1 year. Depending on the business na me planning say me pie me free mu ekwa akokoye no. Say me ntaachi me salary. I will depend on the business income. So me survive. So man survive the area come nyai. Yeah, 1 year, no. I read it was successful. I'm going to say, giving my time 7:30 to 4:30 to the business for the no crampo, I was successful. Now we there, I make add value to my own time. Not just say it will be more. So 2002, and I decided to resign. So I resigned from Cocoa Research Institute. 2nd October 2002, and I'm taking off my business. I answered I'm taking no. So I'm a catcher. Now I was doing business alongside. I started to work with Casapreco Company Limited. So within April, and I'm as a distributor. We are the first people to be appointed as a distributor of Casapreco Company. Now company no are on sales team. So we are the first people appointed as a distributor. So me who say it's a big job. So me train juma and that distributorship on me nyama obi. So I have to leave and go and manage. Now I tested for a year or two. Me who say it was successful because obi am meeting me feel there. Not just as part of maybe business income no. Anything me bo am yeah. The film they could start kakra no ana e go so with other companies no more adwuma. And alongside near say you cannot put egg in one basket until say it mean you diversification kakra. Yeah, I say na next one Palace Hotel in there. Near the one dream buy strange. Because Ramadan for go UK 2005. Ntema be ya na form so film here. One time me say o ma me free mu. Ene na e ba be ye. Ena ni sister ese no ko for be ntimi ko pe baby on beda. Nti ko pe baby on beda when by time say the we na chire me nya a small and say it's not up to their satisfaction. Second one, Madam Fubisu, you go Dubai. No one also have a slammy. Because G baby. I know baby, I'm called you know. Also, a danda ho. Many and buy am then air call me quite I said that why am I? Oh, I don't see that coffin was yaba. A honor, I dream by me, Tim said no. I don't know per as a CV. Now me has a 10 rooms to cry and I met me a year. Mania. Mfensusu need kan me nya ahohwa betima nya obabi ada mabusuafo kra wa kwantuom bi akwantuom omo ba fie na obi nya baabi na betimi ono so benya baabi ada apart from that so betimi the income kakra and then abrem hona ma hotel na say guess as adwin at the badminton because me face that too embarrassment and I'm say to sumiansa. The akra history. I can see a can and sorry that also came about Nesban Palace Hotel and also.
So how many rooms now are
so far there were 25 rooms.
25 rooms. Yeah. So for how long has it been operating?
It started April 2014, so it's almost about 6 years now.
It's a very nice place. It's a very nice place. And I'm a conference room, restaurant.
Yeah, your conference room, your restaurant, and your event center. We person your event here. Yeah, one say yeah, event center in so many forms. Hotel be how we call, just event, I just say. Your friends say, yeah, the animal, I just see a tongue and somehow. Yeah, the end is yeah, the end, any flexible because you do period where you say, Casam wedding into your wedding event center. Now, yeah, young Kunawa, I did your tables. I do. Impose one casa per se, would you do any back a best servo, we allow your fridge, say fridge, so yeah, young cassette, your hotel, saying, your tongue, somehow. Work hotels be or so be your program no hadi adi semia in fact we no yenyan sa bia na nipa no a ye friend say obi kura che no ensa wa che na aduane ade ntina o san season say no don't no meto wo de there be until we allow say wa betimi de won samba you di freezers be 2 3 to ba enu na betua bibi kitwe bi na my rent now the difficult good. Apart from that, yes, I'm work kitchen. Your kitchen, what happens? The kitchen, now you were doing this, well, you see one quite, and also ever. And you're good, your caterers, make caterers in there. I'm more we probably be I go university catering. You all cry your tourism for Baha, if you Holland, UK. COVID intina any Ashanti tour work contract. African Ashanti tour. More Accra, Cape Coast, a tourism company. Your forest war, a Tiwa forest war east in her. They are into bears. Chaprofono, Amoba, those into bears, Amoba. Anti who next bank palace is a good center for them. Nti your caterers your aduane obedi nyina omo eyema wo ma ni nyina so ekanwa na ne ha you say yesan ewo ye engagement wa ha ye hu say edubra covid ba this social distance and as your mama lecture say engagement ye wo fie but social distance ntinu ye be fine ya both parties ni nyina akora betimi abaji no ma ye engagement na etua bibi kitwe bi no one sign your refresh. That activities as well. No, so
my name is Mr. Nelson, and Odwina Ekasa. He's the boss of the Nesbon group of companies. I have Nesbon Palace Hotel. I mean, group of companies means Edison. So, which other companies are under it?
I'm saying Nesbon Palace Hotel one, and I made the Casapra company limited. The alcohol based is one part with it. And I'm a setter like soft drink business.
So
soft drink,
okay.
Alcohol and yes, intending a beer and any control. And the beer also in the group idea Juma. Apart from that, and also other business in Kitty supplies in Kitty. I want to
have a radio station.
Radio station there. And I'm a partner to a friend or UK. And my first name is general manager.
What is the story? I mean, we thank God for life now. One person say, "I know when between more things will come." So, how many kids?
4.
Okay.
4. My mommy and son of Babako.
Okay. Yeah, Alex and
I'm saying, Penny there. I'm assistant director. And then the 2 swimmers who a teacher on the New and Alex a Chibon who university or Winneba.
So thank you very much for talking to me, and once again, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, sir.
In case of people so by contacts via
so we pass over 0244 428614. 0244 428614.
Okay. So, old check one as well. Like, how will we come here?
And so no park no free and Sophie Accra and Alcofodia nearby. We don't do Kukrantimi Junction, no about streets. That's a old Tafo. I think there's a soundboard there. And I say, baby, I don't easy. I think No Plus FM is popular in the town. To see new Tafo. Now, besides, say, No Plus FM. Obia baby, sir. If it taxi driver, when you. And that's one police squad here. Say, sit Tafo. Now, besides the driver, be as a Nesban Palace Hotel. Or the call Tontro Junction. If there's a Nesban Palace here, I want No Plus FM. And I say, off New Tafo, Old Tafo Road. And so be a better.
That's fine.
Yes, sir.
But yes, I first minute, my papa, I was doing a Kasai, and then the 58th birthday. So he came here to celebrate the day with him so that he be able to and that is his life story that he just shared. Thank you very much for watching.
Hey! Osan! Obi the plating me uncompleted car. I have to sanction him. Hey! Where the chairs are?
Wafa, it's okay.
What do you mean? Cut one. Do you know how
This
much
is not
this
a
car
problem.
cost?
Just one A to Z Auto Service Limited can sort it one time.
Hey, get out! A to Z for no more.
That's what I was saying. So let's just send the car to A to Z. One day, no.
Clean.
Told you. Spotless.
A to Z Auto Servicing Limited, your one-stop shop for all your auto needs.
Call 0240 202 828.